Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Tabe selamat linguna latai, salam sujud kerende malempang. Adil kak talino, bacuramin kasaruga, basangit kak jubata. Arus, arus, arus. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, atau selamat malam bagi kalian yang menonton video yang bukan live stream ini. Salam kenal kembali, namaku Radi, aku seorang VTuber ID. Aku adalah penjaga waktu di dunia gaib asal kerajaan negara Dipa. If you from England or EN, nice to meet you. My name is Radi. I am a VTuber ID. I am a timekeeper in the supernatural world from the kingdom of Nagara Dipa. If you Japanese, Hajime mashite. Watashi wa Radi desu. VTuber ID desu. Watashi wa Nagara Dipa Okoku kara kita. Meni mienai sekai no toki no banin desu. If you Arabian, ahlan, ismi Radi, ana VTuber ID, ana harisul waqti fi alamil ghaib min mamlakah negara Dipa. If you Thai, sawadee krap,ผมชื่อ Radi ครับผมเป็นVTuber ID ครับผมเป็นผู้รักษาเวลานกผมเป็นผู้รักษาเวลานี่หรอกที่มองมีเห็นจากอาณาจักร Nagara Dipa. Nah, baiklah, pada video yang bukan stream ini kita akan bermain Genshin Impact kembali. Tunggu sebentar ya. Nah, jadi di video sebelumnya kita ada aku bermain Genshin Impact. Nah, yang mana itu adalah rekodku beberapa bulan yang lalu, dan aku lagi ngerjain quest Archon di Fontaine. Dan ini kebetulan sudah memasuki event 4.8. Ya, event 4.8 yang mana event ini kan ya sebagaimana yang kita ketahui waktunya terbatas ya. Jadi kita akan mengerjakan event ini dulu. Nah, ini sisa waktunya 27 hari, ya sekitar sebulan. Nah, jadi ini event event musim panas bagaimana biasanya. Event musim panas ya, di sini sih musim kemarau ya. Musim panas dan perpisahan untuk perjalanan kita di Fontaine. Dan setelah ini mungkin kita akan langsung loncat ke 5.0, yakni kita akan memasuki region Natlan, negara api. Ketika negara api menyerang. Baiklah. Jadi nama questnya apa ini? Musim panas. Musim panas, dongeng dan naga jahat. Dongeng dan naga jahat. Mungkin seperti itu. Ini kan tantanya seru ya. Musim panas, dongeng dan naga jahat. Ya mungkin seperti itu kurang lebih. Baiklah, kita pencet. Nah, kita lihat dulu. Jadi katanya kalau kita mengerjakan ini kita akan mendapatkan primo. yang mana kita tidak tahu berapa jumlahnya. Bentar, kayaknya aku lupa matiin air deh. Ya, I am back. Ya, benar saja ternyata aku lupa matiin nutup keran leading. Ya, cukup sayang untuk air yang sudah terbuang. Baiklah, kita kembali ke in-game. Jadi, kita selain mendapatkan Primo, kita akan mendapatkan Kron dan juga Kirara. Ya, sayangnya aku sudah dapat gacha. Kalau gitu, aku gacanya harus berdoa dapat si itu aja ya. Baiklah, Kirara nanti akan C1 dan hadiah lainnya. Baiklah, kita langsung baca. Setelah konfirmasi, kamu akan diteleportasi ke area lain. Kemajuan quest dan penjelajahan saat ini akan terhenti. Lanjutkan. Oke. Wow. Wow. Jadi kita teleportasi ke mana? Ke dalam buku kah atau gimana? Ini grafiknya aku tingkatin ya ke tinggi, high. Jadi mungkin karena itu jadinya agak lambat loadingnya.
Hey, wake up! Hey! You're finally awake. Paimon was worried sick.
Apa yang terjadi?
No idea. Paimon just woke up and then we were here. Oh, Paimon's head is all dizzy. The scenery here looks different too. Oh, what should we do, Traveler? Please don't tell Paimon someone abducted us and brought us to some strange place that we could never leave.
Tenang dulu, Paimon.
You're right. Better to think of this as the beginning of a new adventure.
Awal petualangan baru. Wah, menarik.
Thank goodness you're still here. If Paimon woke up alone, she probably would be trembling in a tree hollow.
Di dalam lubang pohon. Kisah dimulai di hutan tanpa apa tadi?
Let's follow this path for now. We might be able to meet someone and figure out what this place is all about.
Jalan kemana? Lurus ke sana. Mari kita lihat mapnya. Ya, baiklah. Aku sudah ada sih ngeliat map milik orang lain. Sebenarnya agak sayang ya, karena ini kan mapnya sekali pakai gitu ya. Selama event ini aja, setelah itu akan ngilang. Kayak map yang botol itu rasanya aduh sayang banget kok hilang ya. Semua event musim panas gitu ya. Mapnya sekali pakai buang gitu.
Traveler, did those plants by the road look weird to you? It almost looked like they were made of paper.
Ya, menurutku juga begitu.
And those two frogs over there? Yeah, they look like pieces of origami.
Apakah itu benar-benar katak? Wow, benar, itu katak.
Oh, by the shade of a lotus leaf stream, don't tell me you forgot how to jump.
I didn't forget, Firecracker. I'm just not sure if what I remember is correct.
Next thing you know, you'll have forgotten how to sing, much less notate a score. You still remember why we call you Stream, don't you?
Yeah, because I've got a great singing voice. Although these days, name seems more ironic than anything.
Not just a great voice, one that evokes the gentleness of early morning dewdrops flowing into a spring. So cheer up and make the jump over. If you're still unsure, just use that roll of magic thread. I won't lie.
I haven't forgotten everything, Firecracker. Your name, for instance. It's kind of hard to forget that you're named after your fiery temper. Now do me a favor and pipe down for a second. I'll be right over.
Oke. Katak yang lupa cara melompat.
You saw that too, right? Paimon's not seeing things, is she?
Aku lihat ada katak origami yang bisa ngomong.
This place is getting more confusing by the second.
Iya. Wah, rumputnya pun seperti apa? Kertas.
Anyway, why don't we go after those two frogs? They didn't look evil or anything. Plus, they might be able to help us out.
Mungkin. Baiklah, kita akan bertemu dengan katak yang lupa cara melompat dan bisa ngomong. Apakah kita bisa melompat? Malah terbang, tidak melompat. Mana kataknya itu? Kejar katak origaminya. Santai aja nggak sih? Hampir terlewatkan.
Unnecessary.
Mana? Bawah sana kah? Mana kataknya? Itu kah? Bener nggak?
Guess we're not catching up to those frogs. They were so fast. Paimon couldn't even tell where they hopped off to in the end.
Excuse me, honored travelers. Did you come from the Cliff of Prophecy, perchance?
Tebing nubuat? Apa itu?
The chubby paper hamster just talked.
Biasa aja nggak sih? Bukannya tadi kamu lihat katak bisa ngomong?
Chubby? Who are you calling chubby? Just got a slightly thicker layer of paper on me.
Kertasnya lebih tebal.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Armand, and I'm an elder of the Forest of Blessings. I've been waiting here for the hero of prophecy to arrive.
Pahlawan nubuat. Apa itu nubuat?
Traveler, could you pinch Paimon just to make sure she's not still dreaming?
Coba kita seling cubit.
Pinching, you say? Well, I can help with that. Although you'll have to get a little closer. My arms are rather short.
That's alright. We just need a minute to collect ourselves. Okay, let's think
Bentar ya.
things through.
Coba kita pikir pelan-pelan.
We know for sure this isn't the world we're familiar with. The talking paper animals and all the paper trees and plants make that pretty clear.
Pertanyaanku, ini kertas origami kena air apa enggak rusak? Apakah itu kertas minyak?
The hero from another world, supported by their companions, shall restore peace to the world. That is what the prophecy says.
Ramalan?
Dearie me, I completely forgot to introduce you to this world, didn't I? And here I am, getting all excited by the arrival of the hero. You'll have to excuse me, this old brain isn't what it once was, all shell and no nut.
Kawaii ya, hamsternya ya.
Oh, well, perhaps my once glossy paper has faded past the point of no return.
Ya, itu apakah itu pudar? Aku hanya melihat warna putih.
It's okay, really. You can just tell us all about this world now.
Let me think. Where should I even begin? Pretty much forgotten everything that happened in the past. Right. I believe the story circulating along the pulp of this forest goes as follows. A long, long time ago, 3 goddesses created this world and named it Simulanka.
Oke, dunia yang bernama Simulanka.
The goddess of creation, who presides over matter and magic, created the mountains and rivers and gave us life. Her powers also paved the way for Simulanka to exist in numerous worlds.
Kekuatannya yang membuat Simulanka ada di banyak dunia. Maksudnya, kekuatannya yang membuat Simulanka ada di banyak dunia. Membuat dunia ini ada di banyak. Maksudnya,
After the goddess of creation came the goddess of prophecy, with dominion over the stars and the course of fate itself. She induced the sky to spin and the earth to move. Even to this day, her statue still stands tall at the highest point of Constellation Metropole.
di titik tertinggi Constellation Metropole. Patung apakah itu?
The final goddess was the goddess of fate.
Dewi-
She who
Dewi
reigns
Takdir.
over all treasured tales and dearest wishes. She bestowed upon us the fierce and everlasting feelings of love and hate, and showed us the meaning of death and hope.
Oke, ada Dewi Pencipta, Dewi Nubuat, dan juga Dewi Takdir. Baiklah.
Whoa, they all seem super impressive. Sounds like they really did a lot.
Of course, all new residents of Simulanka come to the forest to thank the goddess of creation for founding this world, and travel to Constellation Metropole to witness the divinations of the goddess of prophecy's numerous oracles.
Oke.
After that, they make their way to the end of the world and tell the goddess of fate about their most cherished dreams. Well, at least that's how it used to be.
Oh,
How it used to be? Did something bad happen?
kamu tadi bilang mengembalikan kedamaian untuk dunia ini.
Oh, yeah.
Ini.
That has to do with the hero you're waiting for, right?
Yes, this old brain of mine may have forgotten many things, but I will never forget the day the evil dragon descended upon our forest.
Wow.
Came down from the skies in an ominous black mist and ravaged our homeland. Its gigantic footprints can still be seen in the kingdom of breezes and bells. We're incredibly fortunate that no one was hurt.
Kerajaan lonceng angin.
Sounds
Menarik.
terrifying.
The terror doesn't stop there, I'm afraid. Ever since the attack, the Calligraphy Tavern in the forest has been closed. No one knows why, but it's a catastrophe of the
Wow,
highest
calligraphy?
order for us,
Eh.
forest dwellers.
A catastrophe of the highest order? All because a tavern closed? If we were talking about Mondstadt here, Paimon might understand, but is it really all that serious?
Good goddess of creation above, we'd take even the greatest flood over the closure of the tavern. Wet paper will dry out with time. Fallen trees can be restored. But the Calligraphy Tavern is the only source of the magic tonic that sustains all creatures in the forest.
Gimana? Kedai kaligrafi
Magic
menyediakan
what?
air ajaib.
Magic tonic. It was gifted to the forest by the goddess of creation herself. A special potion that helps us maintain our vitality.
Ya. Terus kalau kalian berhenti minum, itu emangnya kenapa?
Well, our bodies will gradually crumple and become brittle until they eventually disintegrate entirely.
jadi sedih.
Colors will fade and
Oh, pantasan mereka
start
menjadi
to lose our
putih.
memory. Until
Kertasnya ya kehilangan warna kehidupan.
But wait, Grandpa Almond, does that mean you've already...
Wow.
I'm afraid so. The color has all but completely faded from my paper. To be honest, all I really remember is that I'm supposed to wait here for the hero of prophecy. But I've already forgotten who gave me that order to begin with.
Oh, jadi sedih.
How can we help?
Oh, brave Pixie. May the goddess of fate reward you and your friend for your kindness. Could it be you're the heroes I've been waiting for all along?
Tergantung.
Not sure how we know that. Plus, we can't even remember how we got here, so it's not looking too promising.
Ya, itu pertanyaan yang cukup bagus. Kami juga sampai ke sini karena mengikuti jalannya saja. Kami lagi cari cara buat balik lagi ke dunia kami.
Well, this is turning out to be quite the conundrum for old Almond Brain here. The prophecy never mentioned anything like that. For now, why don't you come with me to the heart of
Jadi ini
blessings?
ceritanya kita
Now,
beneran
Forest
nggak
Fairy
bisa
lives
keluar
there.
dari
Maybe
dunia
she'll know
ini
what
kah
to do.
atau ceritanya aja? Oke, kita akan mengikutinya ke pondok berkat.
Whoa, a forest fairy? Like one that knows magic?
Ya,
Oh,
tergantung.
you betcha. She's prophesized to join the hero on their journey.
Well,
Okay.
then she sounds like exactly the kind of person we need. Please lead the way, Grandpa Almond.
Kakek Almond. Oke, harus pergi kemana kita? Prok. Apakah ini dua kodok tadi? Apakah kita bisa baca? Ini mereka nge-stuck atau gimana? Macam tak betul je.
That meadow over there looks pretty strange.
Ya, warnanya
That's what the
memudar.
Calligraphy Tavern looks like. Now it's lost all of its color.
Oh. Aing kira harus pakai air. Tok. Katanya hamster kah? Ih, kawaii ne. Oh. Ini mengingatkanku seperti yang ada di desert. Apa? Kehilangan karena apa namanya? Aduh. Di desert itu kan ada beberapa wilayah yang jadi apa seperti keracunan apa gitu ya. Jadinya kayak memutih ya kurang lebih begini tempatnya. Kita ngelak.
This is the place. If you could just wait a moment, the fairy should be.
Traveler, Paimon!
Who is he? Who is she?
Paimon knows that voice.
Oh,
It's really you. I'm so happy to see you.
iya sama.
Sorry.
Maaf. Ya tidak
So
apa-apa.
Milu is the forest
Senang.
fairy? Well, you certainly look the part.
bajumu bagus banget.
Thank you.
Kok
But to
aku
be
udah
honest,
ke
I'm still
berbagai
getting
region
used to
belum
it.
ada baju baru ya?
It's the weirdest thing. I remember I was reading a book at the Grand Bazaar, and then I guess I must have fallen asleep at some point because, well, then I woke up dressed like this.
Oke, Nilo juga terjebak di dalam dunia ini.
And in my dream, someone spoke to me. They said, "You are the fairy of the Forest of Blessings. Now go, save the forest with your magic."
Oh, kamu adalah penyihir.
At first, I thought this whole world was just part of the dream. But no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't seem to wake up. I couldn't find anyone I knew from the real world either.
Sounds similar to what happened with us. We also have no idea how we got here.
Ya, kita sama.
Anyway, sorry for my reaction back there. I got a bit too excited when I saw you two.
It's okay, we totally understand. We were looking for a way out too. At least we know we're not alone.
Oh, blessed be the goddess of fate above. You're already friends with the fairy of the forest.
Grandpa Almond, thank you so much for bringing my friends here. Could you let the others know I'm coming? I'll head over right away.
Oh, jadi Nilo sudah
Of
datang
course,
lebih dulu
leave it to
di
me.
negeri
Hey
ini.
ho, pistachio. Today truly is a blessed day.
Kawaii ne.
Wow, Nilu, looks like you made short work of getting to know the locals.
Ya.
Well, when I arrived here yesterday, Grandpa Almond told me
Oh,
all about the state
kemarin.
of this world.
Oh, kira udah lama.
Since they think of me as their forest fairy, I just felt like I had to try to help them.
Oh, so you mean like using some kind of forest magic to repair the tavern?
Unfortunately, I don't know how to use the magic of this world. I've tried using my vision, but it doesn't seem to work here.
Why?
If the books stored in this hut are anything to go by, this seems to be the place where the goddess of creation first made the townspeople of this forest.
Menarik.
She folded the pages of books into small origami animals, gave them life with her magic, and with time, that's how the Forest of Blessings took shape.
Maybe one of the books here could teach us how to use magic.
Ya.
I read them all, but only found one reference to magic.
Apa
The
itu?
incantation, abracadabra, means to create what I say. This is a world made up of words, where fantastical powers can be wielded by all.
Dan apakah kau sudah mencobanya?
Okay, so basically everyone in this world can use magic? That's nice, but still kind of vague.
Ya, coba saja dulu.
From the other books I read, it seems like this goddess really likes to play fast and loose with the details.
So, what should we do now? Didn't you say you were going somewhere, Nilu?
Oh, yes. I was going to help some of the other residents of the forest. They've been busy making preparations to reopen the tavern, so I thought I could help out.
Got it! Guess we should just focus on what we can do for now.
Ya.
This whole thing is making me pretty nervous, actually. It's like I've been pushed on stage without being taught the choreography. Since I'm already wearing the costume, though, I might as well try to play the part. It's what a professional dancer would do. And who knows? Maybe I'll find my own magic along the way. All I can do is try, right?
At least you're optimistic.
Aku baru ingat, ini kayak tahun kemarin ya, kayak apa? Apa yang 3.8? Kan kita di 3.8 itu kayak bermain peran-peranan gitu, apa bermain teater gitu ya. Kalau di sini kita masuk ke dunia cerita dan kita seperti dipaksa bermain teater, menjalankan cerita di sebuah buku dongeng mungkin. Kalau kemarin kan kita yang nggak sengaja masuk ke dalam dunia botol di dalam dunia di dalam botol di dalam dunia. ada dunia dalam botol, kemudian kita kita menuruti keinginannya si Klee dan jadilah dunia seperti teater gitu.
Thank you. Then let's go.
Let's go. Dan kemanakah kita akan pergi? Arus debu dari utara. Trik topi terbang. Uji coba metropol. Ini dunia hewan, ini dunia mainan kayu, dan ini dunia mesin. Oh, ini dunia kertas, ini dunia kayu, mainan kayu, ini dunia mainan mesin, mekanik. Oke, menarik. Ada 3 mainan, 3 jenis apa bahan. Angin utara pemberani di Forest of Blessing. Ada seekor tupai terbang yang sangat bersemangat. Hadiah yang didapatkan adalah 10.000 mora. Jadi di mana prismoku? Prismonya di mana? Ikuti target. Baiklah. Di atas sana. Yang ada pohon, kayak pohon tadi ya? Kayak ada pohon tadi. Bagaimana kalau kita lewat jalan tembus? Apa yang terjadi?
Look, the forest fairy is here, and she brought her companions. Grandpa Almond was right. They do look promising.
Hello there, everyone. I heard you were working on the piping for the calligraphy tavern. Is there anything we can do to help?
Oh, we wouldn't dream of troubling you with our petty problems, my lady. Don't you worry. We have it all under control.
You sure about that? Because from where Paimon's floating, the piping is looking pretty chaotic.
Yeah.
Yes. We have my careless friend to thank for that. He promised we could leave the pipe connecting to him, and, well, the results speak for themselves.
Oke, kita akan bermain
Hey,
menyambungkan
I just
pipa ya
wanted to inspect
kelihatannya.
each pipe. This is the network the magic tonic has to flow through. I was just trying to be thorough. So I disassembled the whole thing.
Dibongkar.
Yeah, and now you've forgotten how to
Yakin.
put the thing back together. Have you been eating too many nuts again? Because you are what you eat.
Makan
Please don't
kacang.
fight. I know everyone wants the tavern to reopen as soon as possible so that the forest can return to normal.
Ya,
So, why don't you let us help out?
ya cepetan
Yeah,
bantu,
anyway, so we might
cepetan.
as well be helpful. We just need to reassemble these pipes, right?
Well, if you're offering... Basically, the pipes need to be connected properly to allow the magic tonic to flow through. If you put the wrong pipe in the wrong place, the tonic will get stuck halfway.
Baiklah.
Attention to detail is key.
Says the guy
Ketelitian.
who messed up the whole thing in the first place.
Baiklah, kita akan bermain menyambungkan pipa. Putar pipa. Mana? Putar. Lock ternyata. Ternyata lock. Apa yang harus kita lakukan, teman-teman? Apakah kita harus menunggu locknya ini berakhir berputar-putar? Menghubungkan kembali ke server ya, semoga locknya ini tidak lama. Karena aku menggunakan high quality, jadinya
Relax.
dia berputar-putar. Apakah kita akan mengulang kembali dialog yang tadi? Semoga tidak. Alhamdulillah. Putar. Berhasil. Putar. Berhasil. Dan ini apa? Ini apa? Ini gimana? Bentar. Coba alirkan air ajaibnya. Oh, ini manual kah mutarnya? Gitu. Manual. Kok manual gitu?
Oh, amazing! You did it!
You did it.
Tonic will flow into everyone's cups without getting stuck, right? Oh, gotta say though, Paimon is starting to get pretty curious about this magic tonic. Could she have a teeny tiny sip? Just a little taste, please?
Ngiler tuh.
It's not greed, it's curiosity.
Ya, aku juga penasaran.
Well, if it's really just one sip, I guess that would be fine.
Just be careful. This is one of the last cups left in the entire forest. We're supposed to save it for our research.
Penelitian.
Promise. Okay, here goes.
Habis.
What? What was that? Oh, it's sticking to Paimon's tongue. Wait, is this just regular ink?
Tinta dan kertas ya. Menarik.
Does that mean
Gimana
what
rasa
the
tinta
legend
tuh?
says is true? The goddess of fate used ink to compose her stories on paper, and the goddess of creation used her power to bring those tales to life.
No
Benar
wonder
kah?
the cavern is so important to the forest.
Ya,
Maybe the fading disorder occurs when the ink within the body
penyakit
dries up.
luntur.
That would explain why the beings here are forgetting their own stories. Oh,
I'm not really sure I can really wrap my head around this conversation, but there's no need to get all worked up on our behalf, my lady. With the pipe installed, I'm sure the tavern will be up and running in no time.
What do you mean, can't wrap your head around it? The fairy is recounting the story of how the goddesses gave us life. In fact, I've seen the goddess of creation with my own eyes.
really?
Don't be ridiculous. There's no way you're old enough to have met her. We're the same age, and I think I would know considering we went to tell our wishes to the goddess of fate together. So stop talking a load of paper
Jangan
mache.
bicara kertas
Oh,
kosong.
fine. It was my grandfather, all right? He was the one that saw her. He said that one day after he finished work, he saw the goddess of creation grant us life with his own eyes. In her hands, she held the very paper used to form our bodies. She whispered something into the pages, and then suddenly a paper frog was born, ready to leap into the world. Oh, it was spectacular.
Cut the theatrics, will you? You weren't even there.
Wait, so that's it? Paimon thought creation magic would have a little bit more pizzazz.
Oh, so in
Cool.
your
Itu
world,
ya.
the creation of life is a much showier affair? Huh, I'm learning something new every day.
Well, that's not exactly what Paimon was trying to say.
Magic doesn't have to be spectacular.
That's enough out of you. All your boasting is confusing our kind fairy.
Oh, no, it's all right. I actually think I understand the magic of this world a bit better now. Thank you.
The honor was all ours, my lady.
Traveler, Paimon, we should make our way to the next location.
Lokasi selanjutnya kemana?
Unnecessary.
Apakah maksud dari Prismo ini adalah yang dua biji ini? Jadi kita harus mengumpulkan setiap 2 biji prismo yang ada di dunia ini gitu. Wah, yang bener aja lo. Yang bener aja lo di nyuruh aing ngumpulin prismo yang tersebar di berbagai tempat, yang hanya ada 2 biji di satu tempatnya. Wah, keterlaluan. Oke, itu ada apa lagi di depan? Tuan Putri. Siapa? Ini ke... Oh, masih bawah sana. Lihat, itu adalah pohon asli kayaknya. Pohon yang ada di desert yang bentuknya kayak bulu-bulu itu. Bulu-bulu bulu-bulu burung ya, bulu-bulu burung. Tupai terbang yang hidup di Kingdom of setelah mendekat, gunakan tombol interaksi untuk bekerja sama dengan, lalu arahkan dia untuk melewati kalung-kalung bunga. Selama sedang bekerja sama, tahan tombol serang untuk memunculkan jalur terbang si tupai. Lalu lepaskan tombol serang untuk membuat tupai terbang melewati kalung bunga sesuai dengan jalur yang sudah diarahkan. Oke. Si tupai terbang akan langsung kembali setelah terbang hingga titik terjauhnya. Jika mereka berhasil mengenai bola bunganya, si tupai terbang akan langsung berhenti dan menunggumu menekan tombol serang untuk meratakannya kembali. Mana bunganya? Gitu kah? Berhasilkah? Oh, menarik.
Take it and have fun.
Oke, di sini kita mendapatkan 5 biji. Ini oke guys, ini di tempatku sudah menunjukkan jam 5:34 sore. Dan sekarang sedang berkumandang azan maghrib. Jadi kita udahan dulu ya untuk video kali ini. Jadi kita yang pasti sudah tahu bagaimana gambaran tentang dunia ini. Kita secara tidak sengaja tiba-tiba ya masuk ke dalam buku dan tidak tahu sumber bukunya itu kita dapat di mana. Tiba-tiba kita teleport saja ke dalam dunia ini. Wah, banyak sekali. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ada 4. Mungkin nanti. Baiklah, sekian dulu untuk video yang bukan stream ini. Semoga kita bisa dapat lebih cepat ke istana Aurora di sana. Baiklah, sekian.
Relax.
Baiklah. Baiklah. See you. Jane. Ilal liqa. Cikan. Sampai jumpa lagi. Bye.